Hi everyone, happy detox. Lishane had some great questions, so I thought we would share them with all of you. So Lishane, tell me, what are your thoughts about food?
Well, I'm hungry.
Which is normal, but usually that goes away after 2-3 days because your body's going to crave the sugar. Because all of us usually eat more sugar than we should, and your body will continue to crave the sugar. So stay with it, that'll go away.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay.
I want to make a kale soup. So in my kale soup, I put potatoes.
Okay. Try not to eat potatoes during this time. The reason is they're very starchy, so they have a lot of sugar. They'll raise your blood sugar level. So instead, choose something like beans, for example.
Okay, so I can have beans.
You can have beans.
Next on my
They're
list.
full of fiber and nutrients and iron, so definitely have beans.
Is there any substitute for the potato? No. For the
Good question. You can actually have celery root as a substitute.
Oh.
Or cauliflower. You know, it also has the white, and you can puree it. You can make a nice cauliflower soup, pureed with some curry, which is anti-inflammatory. Yeah.
That's why I come to her with these questions. Olives?
Olives are okay to eat, no problem.
Can I have the olive tapenade at Trader Joe's, or is that too processed?
Yes, you can. No.
Really? And can I have it with the rice crackers? Unsalted?
Yeah, that would be fine.
Awesome.
Right.
Awesome. And then can I use bone broth?
Bone broth is great for the detox because it gives you a lot of the minerals and supplements that you need. Yeah. So see, there's many foods and many substitutes that we can use. If you have a question, go ahead and tweet us at Dr. Sanda so we can find you great tasting food during your detox.